Class 10 exercise number 6.3 question number 5. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides. Two ships were in the opposite side of it are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is h meter and then line joining the ship passing through the foot of the lighthouse show that the distance between the ship is 4h divided by root 3 meter. See, the height of the lighthouse is given as h. Imagine this is the lighthouse, right? And then the two ships are sailing on the in the opposite side of the lighthouse. One of the ship is here, another ship is here, so it will be in the straight line. We want to find out the distance between these two ships. Let me take it as this is A, B. Angle of depression is given. So this is the horizontal line. The horizontal lines below is the depression, right? This, let me take it as the angle of 60 degree, and this is the below of the another side. Let me take it as this is 30 degree. This is the horizontal line. The horizontal lines below is the depression, above means elevation, right? So by the transversal condition, this is 60 means then this also 60 degree. This is 30 means then this also 30 degree by the transversal condition. The height of the lighthouse is given as h. Let me take it as A, B, C, D. Here let mention it. Let A, B and C, D are the lighthouse and two ships respectively. Right? Now the distance between, we want to find out the distance between C to D, two ships. The distance between C to D, the total distance, that is x plus y. We want to find out x plus y. So in triangle, I take the triangle as, first I take the triangle ABD. This is the triangle of ABD. This is 30, this is h, this is y. Right? In triangle ABD, here opposite divided by adjacent. The ratio is opposite divided by adjacent, that is tan theta. Then theta is given as 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side is h divided by adjacent side is y. We know the value of tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by y. I take this y to this side. We get the value y is equal to h into root 3. Take equation number 1. Next, in triangle ABC, see the triangle like this. This is ABC, this angle is 60 degree, this is x, and then height is h. By this side, first we choose this side, now we are going to choose this side. This triangle ABC. Now here also the tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side by right angle triangle, right? Then theta is given as tan 60 is equal to opposite side is h divided by adjacent side is x. Tan 60 we know the value root 3 equal to h divided by x, and then if we take the x to this side, x is equal to h divided by root 3. Let me take it as x as the equation number 2. Now we want to find the distance between the two ships. Distance between the two ships is x plus y. So equation number 1 plus 2. See, from equation number 1 and 2, sum of this equation x plus y is equal to h divided by root 3, x value, and y value is h root 3. Now we have to take LCM. If you take LCM as root 3 means h plus root 3 into root 3 is 3, and then h. You have to multiply this term, right? If you take LCM, then h plus 3h is equal to 4h divided by root 3. That is, we want to show that So the distance between the ship is is 4h divided by root 3 meter, hence proved. Thank you, students.